Welcome to S&P Knowledge Series. In this episode, let's discuss on the topic, 5G Japanese Concepts Copyright. Authored by S.N. Panigrahi. Certified PMP, Authorized Training Partner, ATP, Instructor, PMI, USA, Fellow Institution of Engineers, FIA, Chartered Engineer, Certified Lean Six Sigma Black Belt, Certified Lead Auditor IMS, Z Consultant, GST and International Business and Projects Consultant, Corporate Trainer, Mentor and Author, Life Member Indian Society for Training and Development, ISTD, Life Member NX. National Council Member, IIMM. In this presentation we are focusing on 5G Japanese Concepts Copyright with specific reference to pharma warehousing. In the world of quality, management and philosophy of continuous improvement, Japanese methodologies have played a significant role in shaping successful organizational strategies. Among these methodologies, Gemba, Gembutsu are very popular practices adopted from Toyota Production System TPS. The author added 3 more Gs of Japanse to form 5G Japanese Concepts Copyright, Gemba, Gembutsu, Genjitsu, Genri, and Gensuko, that hold paramount importance and form a quintet of core principles that illuminate the path to operational excellence and offer profound insights into effective decision-making, problem-solving, and process optimization within various industries. They are used to emphasize the importance of understanding the actual situation, going to the source, and making decisions based on first-hand knowledge, keeping in mind ethics and good practices. In essence, the 5G Japanese concepts copyright serve as pillars of guidance for organizations seeking to cultivate a culture of continuous improvement, strategic decision-making, and ethical business practices. These concepts have found applications far beyond the walls of manufacturing plants and serve as a philosophical compass for anyone seeking to understand, improve, and excel in various fields of endeavor. By incorporating these principles in a warehouse and operational framework, can significantly enhance overall operational efficiency, product quality, and foster employee engagement and safety, leading to enhanced customer satisfaction and long-term success, and therefore, businesses can achieve sustainable growth and navigate the complex terrain of reality, theory, and ethics, ultimately guiding them towards excellence and continuous improvement with resilience and adaptability. Here's an overview of the importance of implementing these 5G Japanese concepts copyright in a warehouse setting, along with critical considerations and examples for each. Let us now discuss about first G, Gemba, the real place, or the real location. Gemba refers to the actual location where work is done, where value is created, or where problems occur. It emphasizes the need for managers to be physically present where work is done, products are made, or services are delivered, that is at the shop floor or warehouse floor. The focus is of observing operations or processes and understanding the realities of the workplace and make informed decisions and addressing issues if any immediately. In the context of warehousing, Gemba refers to the physical location where the receiving, storage, handling, and distribution of pharmaceutical products take place. Example: pharmaceutical warehouse managers regularly make Gemba walk and visit the warehouse to observe the processes, identify inefficiencies, assesses the arrangement of products, inspect storage conditions, temperature and humidity controls, observe warehouse cleanliness and interact with workers to gain insights into their challenges, identify any potential risks to product quality and security measures to ensure proper storage conditions, and confirm to compliances with regulatory standards and adherence to good distribution practices (GDP). Second G, Gembutsu, Jianwu, the real thing, or the real object. Gembutsu refers to the actual products, materials, or equipment involved in the production process or warehouse and distribution processes. It emphasizes the importance of examining the pharmaceutical products and understanding the physical elements, the specific characteristics and requirements of the products stored and handled in the warehouse to identify issues and improve processes and to ensure quality, safety, and compliance. Example: in the pharmaceutical warehouse context, Gembutsu refers to the actual pharmaceutical products, medical devices, or supplies stored in the warehouse. Example: a quality assurance specialist inspects the raw materials to ensure they meet the required standards and specifications before the production process begins, conducts regular checks on the physical attributes of finished goods and integrity of pharmaceutical products stored in the warehouse, ensure that all the products are properly labeled, packaged, and accurately batch numbers are recorded according to regulatory standards. Also ensuring that there are no signs of damage, examine to detect defects or expiry, identify affected batches, contamination, and to understand the root causes of the issue and determine the necessary precautions or changes required to prevent similar problems in the future and preventing the distribution of potentially harmful products. Now let us discuss third G, Genjitsu, the real situation, or the current reality. Genjitsu focuses on understanding the actual situation or current reality, encouraging individuals to recognize existing challenges and opportunities for improvements and compliance with standards rather than relying on assumptions or idealized concepts. It involves a comprehensive understanding of the real situation and identify bottlenecks by collecting regularly data and analyzing, which enables informed decision-making, proactive planning, and the implementation of effective strategies to address challenges and ensure the smooth and safe distribution of products. Examples: in a pharmaceutical warehouse, the implementation of Genjitsu involves understanding the current reality of inventory management and demand fluctuations and conducting a comprehensive analysis of the current market conditions, customer demands, and resource constraints. If a pharmaceutical distributor notices a sudden surge in the demand for a particular medication due to an unforeseen outbreak of a regional disease, he then analyzes the current reality, analyze data, recognize the need for adjusting their inventory levels and reorganizing their supply chain to meet the increased demand. If a pharmaceutical company realizes that certain temperature-sensitive drugs are frequently being compromised due to inadequate temperature control during storage and transportation, they understand the current reality. They conduct an in-depth analysis of their storage facilities, implement advanced temperature monitoring systems, and establish strict protocols for handling and storing temperature-sensitive medications and adhere to good manufacturing practices (GMP) and other regulatory necessities as required. Gemba, Gembutsu and Genjitsu emphasize the importance of understanding the real place, real objects, and real situation respectively, but they differ in their focus. Gemba focuses on the physical location, Gembutsu emphasizes the actual objects, and Genjitsu underscores the importance of understanding the current situation. These concepts work in tandem to facilitate a comprehensive understanding of processes, products, and the existing reality, enabling organizations to make informed decisions and drive continuous improvement. These concepts, when effectively applied, can help ensure the quality and safety of pharmaceutical products throughout the storage and distribution processes. For more details about differences of Gemba, Gembutsu, and Genjitsu, please read below. Fourth G. Genri, principle, or theory. Genri refers to the underlying principles or theories that serve as the basis for understanding or guiding a particular system, process, or concept and guide decision-making and actions within an organization, governing organizational strategies or methodologies. It emphasizes the importance of understanding and adopting fundamental concepts and adhering to standardized operating procedures, lean principles, Six Sigma, or other optimization methodologies, implementing inventory management principles like FIFO and applying them effectively in practical situations. Examples: in the context of pharmaceutical research and development, Genri might refer to the scientific principles of drug development, such as pharmacokinetics, pharmacodynamics, and bioavailability. In a pharmaceutical warehouse, the implementation of Genri involves the application of fundamental principles and theories to ensure quality control and regulatory compliance. A pharmaceutical company adheres to strict Genri principles by implementing standardized quality control procedures and good manufacturing practices (GMP). They establish comprehensive protocols for product testing, inspection, and documentation, following the fundamental principles of pharmaceutical manufacturing. By integrating these principles into their warehouse operations, they maintain consistent product quality, adhere to regulatory requirements, and ensure that all pharmaceutical products meet the highest standards of safety and efficacy. They may implement efficient inventory management systems, optimize logistics operations, and minimize waste by adhering to the fundamental principles of supply chain optimization. By integrating these principles into their warehouse management, they ensure the timely and cost-effective delivery of pharmaceutical products, thereby enhancing overall operational efficiency and customer satisfaction. Finally, the fifth G, Gensoku, principle, or rule. Gensoku refers to the fundamental basic principles or rules that are often used to describe specific values, principles, rules, codes of conduct, or guiding principles that govern behaviors, actions and decision-making of people or organizations. It emphasizes adherence to ethical standards, moral considerations, compliance regulations, and organizational values. Examples: in the pharmaceutical industry, Gensoku could refer to the regulatory principles and guidelines set by authorities such as the Central Drug Standard Control Organization (CDSCO) of India, European Medicines Agency of the European Union, the PMDA of Japan, the Food and Drug Administration (FDA) of the United States, and the Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency of the United Kingdom, and the State Administration for Market Regulation of China etc. These guidelines govern the manufacturing, distribution, and marketing of pharmaceutical products. For example, in a pharmaceutical warehouse handling vaccine, the Gensoku is to maintain strict cold chain integrity. This includes adhering to principles like maintaining the specified storage temperature, conducting regular temperature monitoring, and implementing robust quality control checks, creating a culture of safety awareness and compliance with industry regulations. The principle guides warehouse staff to follow specific rules and procedures to prevent temperature excursions and product degradation to ensure the pharmaceutical product's integrity and regulatory compliance. In a workplace, Gensoku might refer to a set of ethical guidelines and principles that companies, employees and other business associates are expected to follow, such as following ethical conduct, caring for the customers and public health, honesty, fairness, transparency and accountability, building trust and respect. Differences between Genri and Gensoku. Genri is more closely associated with the fundamental theories or principles underlying a specific concept or process, while Gensoku pertains more to the established rules and principles that guide ethical conduct and operations within an organization. Both terms are important in different contexts, contributing to the effective functioning and governance of various systems and organizations. Further, the differences can be read below. Conclusion. The adoption of the 5G Japanese concepts copyright, namely Gemba, Gembutsu, Genjitsu, Genri, and Gensuko, heralds a transformative approach towards efficiency, quality, and ethical excellence in various domains. By integrating these principles, organizations can cultivate a culture of continuous improvement and heightened operational awareness. By integrating these 5G Japanese concepts copyright effectively, a warehouse can optimize its operations, ensure product quality, and maintain a safe and efficient working environment and safeguarding the well-being of employees. This approach enables continuous improvement and sets the foundation for sustainable growth and success in the logistics and supply chain industry. Continuous monitoring, employee involvement, and a commitment to improvement are critical to successfully applying these principles. Additionally, adapting the concepts to specific industry regulations and the unique needs of the warehouse is essential for sustained success. Through the holistic adoption of these concepts, organizations can pave the way for sustainable growth, customer satisfaction, and enduring success, reaffirming their commitment to excellence and innovation. Do you find the presentation informative and useful? If yes, then click like and also subscribe the channel for free to receive updates. Thank you. For more details contact SN Panigrahi at the below contact details.